Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install ZeuZ Node on a Mac. If you are using Windows and need to install ZeuZ Node, please refer to our video that shows how to install Node on Windows. In just two simple steps, you can install the Node on your system. First, we will install Python, then we will install the ZeuZ Node itself. You can get the Python installation file from python.org/downloads. Let's download and install Python 3.8.2, which is the latest version at the moment. Let's install it. The installation is done. Give the permission. Now let's open the terminal and check our default version of Python. You can do so by typing python --version. If it shows 3.8.2, then you're all set. If, however, it is showing an earlier version, you can use the command python 3 instead of python, and it will still give you the same result. You can use the command python 3 to run the ZeuZ installer file and other Python files. So if you type python 3 and then version, it will still give you the same result. Once Python is installed, let's go ahead and download ZeuZ Node. You can download ZeuZ Node from the ZeuZ dashboard. The link is right here. Install ZeuZ Node. Let's go ahead and click that. Let's save the file. Let's unzip it. Now we have to run the installer file right here. To run the file, you have to go to terminal. First you have to change the directory to this directory right here. So you can drag this icon and it will copy the path. Press enter. And now you can type Python or Python 3 and then the name of the installer file. Once you do that, you will see this window. On this window, you have to provide the root password, which is the password of your computer. Make sure that the core setup and install ZeuZ Node options are selected and click install. This will start the installation process. It will take a little bit of time. I'll pause the video and come back once the installation is complete. Okay, as you can see, the installation is complete. Now let's quit the installer window and go back to the Finder. Let's go to desktop and you will see a folder called ZeuZ Node. Let's go inside the folder and you will find the file node_gui.py. You have to run this file to start the node. So let's go to the terminal and first you have to change to the directory. And now let's type Python. This will bring up the ZeuZ Node window. On this window, you have to provide the server address, your username, and the password. You have to press disconnect once for the settings to be saved and then click connect again. And the node should now be running. It will also tell you the name of the node right here. So now let's go back to the ZeuZ dashboard and let's go to the menu testing and run tests, and this will take us to the deploy page. First you will choose the test case that you want to run. You can choose multiple test cases or even a test set. You assign a tester, choose who should the report be sent to, choose a milestone, give a meaningful name to this run. You have to choose the browser and the machine, the node you just started, and you have to click deploy, and this should start the test case. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.